to the basics. If you want something that's classy, tell them all you gotta do is ask me. Yeah, places, places. Feeling like 100 blue faces. Put a bow tie on the laces. Now throw a good foot in it. Can I get a witness? Fresh like a new pair of linens. Bought a new crib with a tenant. Now they want a piece of the business. Sipping my tea with the lemon. Roll down the window, play this on repeat. Whipping your neck when we cruising the street. Like what you see, but it's hard to believe. I make it look easy. Yeah. Hey. I make it look easy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here, and if you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. We are coming in hot today. Did y'all see that intro? Oh my goodness. This new hair, wow, it's everything. It's so perfect for fall, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look without having to bleach or damage your own natural hair. So you already know what time it is. I feel like wigs are the best protective style, and having a wig that's natural and that mimics your natural hair texture is the best option in my opinion. This texture is the Kinky straight texture, one of my favorite textures, but y'all, we're doing it this time with some color. This color is so bold, so beautiful, and when I tell you, fall is not ready for y'all with this one. It is not ready. This unit is by Beauty Forever Hair, and it's a lace front construction. The hairline is done to perfection. I didn't have to tweeze it at all because it was done so well. It does come with an elastic band so that it fits snug on your head. Right now, I'm going to try the unit on so that you all can see what it looks like right out of the package. Now, I will say you do need to customize your wig cap as well as the lace on the wig so that it best matches your skin tone, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a moment. As you all can observe, the wig cap is peeking through the lace, and we don't want that, so we need to alter the color so that it's more seamless, but this is a great hairline. I'm going to do so using the Ruby Kiss 3D Face Creator. I'm just going to brush that all over the wig cap, and then I'm going to cut the front portion off. I'm not going to actually do the ball cap, but that would be advised. I typically just don't like doing the ball cap because it takes too much time, but if you have time to do the ball cap method, then definitely do that, especially if you're planning on wearing the hair up. I just plan to wear it down, so this method was perfectly fine. So now I'm going to show you all what the unit looks like on the mannequin head. I did get my unit in length 20, but it does go all the way up to length 26. And I believe this is transparent lace, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal. So you do get 4 inches of parting space in the middle. On the sides, it is about 2 inches. So just keep that in mind. Mine is also in 150% density. So it does look very natural and realistic at this length and density. So right now I'm just showing you all what the parting space looks like. And the knots on this unit did already come bleached, so that's a nice plus. So now we're going to get into how to tint this lace, and I did use a slightly different method this time. Depending on the color of your skin tone, you may not have to tint the lace at all, but because my skin tone is on the darker side, I did decide to start with a darker base first, especially because this lace was much lighter than my skin tone. So I started with the Wig Guru's Chocolate Darling Lace Tint first, and then followed it up with the Sally Hansen Airbrush Spray in Deep Glow. Typically, I would only use the airbrush spray, but I decided to try both this time around to achieve a more scalp-like finish.
I deserve it, I used to crawl, but now I'm walking in purpose, That every move I make don't scratch the surface, But look at me now, mama, she proud. She was around when nobody else was around. How do you like me now?
Now I'm going to use this Revlon one-step hair dryer in order to dry the edges and also to get the crimps out of the hair from the packaging. Y'all, this thing is a game changer. Have y'all tried it? It's so phenomenal. It makes doing a blowout so much easier. I've used this thing on my natural hair as well, and when I tell y'all, blow dry my hair is just a different experience with this dryer. It's so good.
I had to play a humble pie. Life can really just humble guys. Sky's the limit, don't look surprised. Life's for living, so look alive. Everything that I want, I gotta go get it. Cause I could be gone in a minute. And now I've been working so hard, so now I'm living. I deserve it. Life went on was clear, but now I see the picture perfect. Flying in the air, I don't deserve them, but I earned it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do it? I seen ya. All the years of grinding, it's just time, and I deserve it. I tell them again, they look at my wins, but I deserve it. It's me and my friends, we counting the ends, and we deserve it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do it? I seen ya. All the years of grinding, it's just time, and I deserve it. You see the way that I'm working, life was never just perfect. Now every day's my birthday, and I deserve it. Intimate time, now I just sit back and recline. Look at the sky, thinking like, wow, man, you made it. Ooh, steady rocking the latest that is made. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hang around with the greatest, and I'm great. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody gon' say it, but I say it. I was just sick and tired of complaining. Now I live my life, it's amazing, don't you see? I deserve it.
Y'all, using the method that I used for the lace tip really made a difference. I feel like it looks so much more scalp-like, and I love how flat this lace lays on my hairline. It actually looks like it could be mine. So now I'm gonna proceed to melt the lace using my staple adhesive, which is the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle, but feel free to use whatever adhesive you love best. I generally don't use wig glue because I feel like it's too damaging. I also remove my wigs nightly, so it really doesn't make sense for me.
Ain't nobody gon' say it, but I say it. I was just sick and tired of complaining. Now I live my life, it's amazing, don't you see? I deserve it. Life when no was clear, but now I see the picture perfect. Flying in the air, I don't deserve them, but I earned it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do what I seen ya? All the years of grinding, it's just time and I deserve it. I tell them again, they look at my wins, but I deserve it. It's me and my friends, we counting the ends and we deserve it. I got them calling me leader. How do you do what I seen ya? All the years of grinding, it's just time and I deserve it.
Y'all, lace wear. The quality of this lace is so good and it melted so nicely into my skin. This is looking so good so far and we're not even finished yet.
Go on, come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it like this. Just do it, just do it. Just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it like that. Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Like that. Ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Look over here, I'm gonna show you what I got. Cause once I get it, no, I'm never gonna stop. It's so effortless, don't even need to try. I'm gonna do my thing DIY. I like it flawless and I like it clean. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. Just like a fantasy, just like a dream. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it like this. Just do it, just do it. Just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it. Just do it, just do it like that. Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum-bum. Like that. Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum.
Y'all, this looks so fire. Do y'all remember the times when I would not wear color at all? I'm so glad I stepped out of my comfort zone. This color is divine. And this hair feels so soft and it mimics my natural hair texture so well. I feel like Beauty Forever Hair did such a great job with this unit. It's so realistic and the kinky straight texture is so on point.
All eyes on me, all eyes on me, all eyes on me. All eyes on me, all eyes on me, all eyes on me. All eyes on me, all eyes on me, all eyes on me. All eyes on me, all eyes on me, all eyes on me. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it and really love this color as much as I do. It's so great for fall. Let me know what you all think about it. I am going to show you all some quick and easy styles that you can do with the wig. Also, Beauty Forever Hair is having an anniversary sale, so be sure to check the description box for the discount code. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share with a friend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I keep finding you in everything. When I see you in her eyes, I keep finding you in little things, like watching her running by. Don't quite know if I should cry or smile when I see her growing high. But I keep finding you in everything, oh, and I've seen you for a while. Beauty, I found you. Started small, now you be beauty queen, oh. More inside than what's seen. Beauty queen, oh. On your side, where your team. Beauty queen, oh. Started small, now you be beauty queen. I keep finding you and how she stands up, even when she's terrified. Get so proud of when she stops and says no, when something just isn't right. Don't quite know if I should cry or smile when I see her growing high. I keep finding you in everything, oh, and I've seen you for a while. Beauty, I found you. Started small, now you be beauty queen, oh. More inside than what's seen. Beauty queen, oh. On your side, where your team. Beauty queen, oh. Started small, now you be beauty queen, oh.
Look, comparing contrast, shorty, I could never. You know me and you gon' kick it like it's copper weather. I'ma tell you about the Father, nobody better. I'ma walk you through his words.